Today, let's make raspberry jam. First, add raspberries, sugar, and lemon juice in a small saucepan. You can also use frozen raspberries. I'll share the comparison at the end of the video. I love tangy raspberry jam with lemon juice. You can adjust amount for your liking. Mix. And heat it at medium heat. In the beginning, it looks pretty liquidy. And you'll soon get lots of forms on the surface. You can remove some with the spoon if you want more clear looking jam, but you don't need to try removing all of them as it keeps coming up and most of them disappear after the jam gets thickened. Now, once the jam started thickening slightly, turn it down to low heat and continue cooking gently until it reaches the desired texture. Now it started thickening nicely, but it's not quite there yet. So continue cooking. Okay, so this is ready. It is 103 Celsius or 217 Fahrenheit. Scrape off the bottom of the saucepan with a spatula and you should be able to see the long line. If you want a very thick jam, continue cooking further. This is 105 Celsius or 221 Fahrenheit. After this, I'll show you how thick it gets when it's cold. Now, use it right away or chill it in the fridge for a few hours to thicken the jam completely. Pour it into a clean, sterilized jar while the jam is hot. Close the lid tightly. This is with 103 Celsius or 217 Fahrenheit. And this is 105 Celsius. You can see it's much thicker. Mix it well to make it smooth. I often thicken jam like this when I want to use it as a spread for macarons or whenever I don't want it to get loose. And like I said in the beginning, you can use frozen raspberries and follow the exact steps. But there are a couple things I noticed. I felt the jam got a little bit thicker with the same temperature and the color was darker. And this might be heavily related to the brand or, how they treat the raspberries. But I wanted to address as I thought it was interesting. Please let me know if you noticed something else. I use this raspberry jam for various kinds of raspberry desserts such as raspberry macarons, cakes, cupcakes, buttercream, eclairs, cheesecake. It's truly my favorite way to turn any recipe into delicious raspberry dessert. And you can store the leftover in the refrigerator or in the freezer and use it whenever you need it. And at the end, I wanted to talk about how to troubleshoot the jam when it gets a little bit too thick or too loose. That can happen especially when you're not using a candy salmon mortar. So when it's a little bit too loose, you can simply cook it a little bit more to make it a little bit thicker. When it's too thick, there's a couple ways, but you can add fresh raspberries or frozen raspberries, lemon juice or water and make it a little bit looser. If you have any other questions about raspberry jam, please let me know and I'll try to answer as many as possible. And if you tried it at home, I would love you to share how it was in the comment section below or in the blog post and let me know what kind of raspberry dessert you made with it. But that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy pastry living and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.